How to cancel Terabox app subscription. Hello everybody, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick guide on how we can unsubscribe from Terabox. For that, you need to follow some steps, but before following the steps, I want to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe option. So let's get started. For that, you need to go to your Google Play Store if you are on an Android phone. So when you go here, when you tap on your profile at the top right, here you will be able to see the payments and subscriptions option in the middle. Just tap on it, and under here, under payment methods, you see the subscription option. Just tap on subscriptions, and if you have subscribed into that app, you will be able to see that app here with subscribed in it. So in order to unsubscribe it, just tap on unsubscribe, and there you go. You will be able to unsubscribe from that application by following these steps. So in this way, you can unsubscribe from Terabox. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.